Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Elementary OS 8.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Elementary OS official website. It is elementary.io. Hit enter. See here we have the Elementary OS. Now purchase Elementary OS. See, you can pay any one of these. If you don't have, just give 0 and click on download Elementary OS. Now we have to select the architecture. ARM, Intel or AMD 64-bit. Okay, see here this is direct method and this is by using torrent link. Okay, I'm going to download by using direct. So go to downloads. See, its size is about 3.1 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down, select other, then select the path where you have the enough space. Okay. Then ISO image, click on drop down, select other, then select the downloaded ISO image. Click on open. See, once you selected, OS change it to Ubuntu, OS distribution as Ubuntu and OS version as Ubuntu 64-bit because this is based on Ubuntu. Then don't select this, proceed with unrated installation. Then come to specify hardware. Here I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. These are based on availability. Then click on finish. Now still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. If you're okay with all the settings, select here and click on start, or right click, then select start and start with the GUI. Either is same, click on it. Press any key from the keyboard, then select the try or install Elementary OS and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. I am going to select English, then click on select. Select language of type country, United States, then click on select. Keyboard layout, I am going with the defaults, English US, or you can select any one of these. Select it. Same. See here we have the write demo mode or erase disk and install. This is the permanent, so I am going to select it, then click on erase disk and install. This is just warning, click on install anyway, select the drive, then click on next. Now if you want to encrypt drive, you have to provide password here. If you don't want, click on don't encrypt. Additional drivers, erase and install. See, Elementary OS 8 has been installed. Your device will restart automatically after restarting your setup user and download setup. Okay, click on restart device. See here, please remove the installation media, then press enter. So come to VirtualBox. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on it and remove disk from the virtual drive. Then come to virtual machine and hit enter. Select the language and click on select. Again. Now we have to create user. Provide user full name. I am giving user full name as after schools and this is the username. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then select the device. Then click on this next. Now provide the password. See, this is the welcome screen. Skip all. Now open terminal. Go to applications. Then search for terminal. increase the font size by pressing Ctrl++. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed elementary OS 8 and its version number is 8.1. Okay, its code name is Surs, and this is the code name Qt, and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. See here. Okay, now the first step after connecting to elementary OS 8.1 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update absent sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Put the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade 42 packages and installing 0. Okay, type Y for confirmation. Hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install elementary OS 8.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.